The F-35B is the UK's premier strike fighter. Fast, stealthy, carrier-capable, operated by both the RAF and the Royal Navy. But the UK doesn't fully control it. With America proving ready to withhold intelligence from Ukraine, is it still wise to rely on the US providing tech support? Lockheed Martin retains access to the aircraft's software, meaning Britain can't independently upgrade or modify its systems. In a crisis, that could mean reduced capability, or none at all. So what are the UK's alternatives to the F-35B? The Typhoon is the RAF's backbone, fast, agile and proven. But it lacks stealth and it's part of a multinational programme. Britain can integrate weapons, but deeper upgrades require consensus. Not full dependence, but limited sovereignty. Next, the Gripen E. Not truly stealthy, but the Gripen has advanced electronic warfare and it's harder to detect with radar. It trades invisibility for adaptability with full national control. Operators can upgrade software and integrate weapons independently. Then there's Tempest, Britain's sixth-generation future fighter. Stealthy, AI-integrated and UK-controlled, but it won't be ready until at least 2035.
And what about the Royal Navy? The Navy's carriers were built around the F-35, specifically for its STOVL capability. That's the ability to carry out a short takeoff and land vertically on deck. Most conventional carrier-based aircraft, like the FA-18 Super Hornet, rely on catapults for launch and arrestor wires for landing. The UK's carriers don't have this system. Retrofitting would be costly, time-consuming and possibly unfeasible.
So if the RAF were to lose access to the F-35 today, they could continue operating with the Typhoon, expedite the development of Tempest and adopt the Gripen E to preserve sovereign flexibility. But for the Navy, the consequences would be far more serious. Without a viable replacement for the F-35, the carriers would lose their strike capability, and with it, their strategic relevance. The F-35 brings reach, stealth and power, but it also brings dependence. In conflict, control isn't optional, it's essential. It's not just what would we do without the F-35, it's what must we do today to guarantee control tomorrow. Thanks for watching. For more from BFBS Forces News, like and subscribe to our channel.